up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. I am stoked. I am headed out the door right now to go train with Jen, who's a trainer for Composition ID. I'm running a little late. I don't know when I became this person that was late to things, but it's fine. We're not on a tight schedule. I'm excited to try this different gym that's next to the office. Hopefully we'll learn some things. Hopefully you guys will learn some things. I'm trying to put on this coat as I say this. And after the workout, I think I'm going to go to Costco. I love Costco. And pick up a prescription, get some freaking salmon burgers. I don't know. Yeah, I need to go. Bye. What is this gym called? We made it.
Athletic Club?
Urban Athletic Club. This is like a CrossFit gym. So this is the kind of gym where there's not machines. It's just like you figure it out. And I don't know if I'm capable of jumping on boxes. That's a really...
Right now we're using this as just a drink stand.
Oh, okay, good. I was thinking we're gonna be doing like box jumps. Oh god.
You said that.
These are interesting looking bikes. They're different than the ones I've seen.
The resistance increases based on how fast you're going.
Oh, interesting.
If you go really ham on them, it's like
It'll...
really taxing. It's like an uphill sprint. It's kind of that feeling of just complete.
So you don't control the resistance at all? Assault. Oh, that's so weird. Wait, yeah, I want to try this. Short people problems.
Maybe down.
There's not like a cage or anything for your feet?
No.
It's like, look at how intimidating this gym is. Like, what do people do with these? Like, there's even chalk for your hands. It's blowing air in your face. This is like for serious athletes that use TRX bands. I can't even move the thing. Who knows if I'm gonna be able to run this.
10 minutes later.
I don't feel the resistance changing.
You just have to go ham. Core, arms, legs, everything's like driving as hard, as fast as you can. How many calories did you get?
12. I burned 12 calories. That's my workout. 12 calories. We're done here.
This is a really good thing to do for HIIT because you can get at such a high intensity. It's like a sprint, right? You can really go ham and then rest like a minute, 2 minutes, and then go ham again for 30 seconds.
I think it just like takes getting used to because I'm so used to like a certain type of cycling.
True. This one is much more upper body. Like you can use your arms a lot more.
Yeah.
I work out at a few different gyms. Actually, I work out at Washington Sports Club on my own, and then I work out here sometimes, but I train clients, personal training clients. So I do a lot of lifting and stuff with my clients here. Primarily focus on squat, deadlift, bench press, stuff like that. Just getting strong. Using lifting for fat loss is kind of my specialty with the clients that I work with. Get the blood flowing. So let's play around with some kettlebells. Okay. So you asked what I do when I warm up. Typically I'll just grab a kettlebell, and whether I'm doing, well, for any like lower body stuff, I'll use the kettlebell for, have you done kettlebell swings or anything like that before? Okay. We can lift, and then we can do our own like CrossFit style Metcon is what it's called. It's like metabolic conditioning.
Oh god, that sounds terrifying.
It'll be fun.
Okay. I also like the artwork. See, it's just like, it's weird because when you're watching it, it doesn't look like you're going faster. Yeah, but when you're doing it, the resistance, like, it makes you feel like you're actually going so fast uphill. It's so weird.
You're doing a kettlebell swing, trying to hinge by pushing your butt back, kind of keeping the pull in the hamstrings. Then you're kind of snapping your hips.
Do you not straighten your arms with it?
40-50% effort, so just get the blood flowing.
You're slightly bent. I want to make sure that you're not just doing like a squat.
Yeah, it's a different motion.
Do a lot of knee bend. But here,
You have to hinge at the hips.
it's more that hip hinge.
Yeah.
Right, so your knees stay just slightly bent. And you're popping the hips. So if you feel like you're using your arms a lot, like this, then you gotta dial in something here to make it so that it's more just are doing the work. Do you feel like you're using your arms at all? Not really. Cool. Try to pull your shoulder blades back so you can come over here. Keep your shoulder blades back. And that'll help Bring that kettlebell up. Nice, there you go. So then after I do some kettlebell swings, I'll do some goblet squats. Put your feet shoulder width, ish apart, a little bit for everyone. And then make sure that your knees are breaking to the outside. Kind of trying to sink your hips straight down. And your ankles, your heels are coming up. That might just be tight ankles. Actually, a good trick for that. Grab plates for your heels.
And take your left elbow.
Come back. Now add a little bit of weight. Just on the way down. Slow it down just a little bit before you come up.
Then bring your right elbow to the inside of the right thumb. Open up towards the right knee. And take your arms as far as you can get them.
Yep.
Stretch out the lats and the upper back.
Okay. I would say we're sufficiently warmed up on the squat.
I feel quite warm.
So let's move to this barbell thing. I start the descent by driving the knees out, sinking the hips down, and my chest is gonna come forward slightly at the bottom. From there, I'm gonna drive out of the bottom by extending the legs,
And from this
squeezing the butt at the
bottom
top.
squat.
So this is 35 pounds.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Oh, that's a lot.
We're gonna have the barbell in the front rack position.
Oh, it
That's
does feel that.
typically back squat
You got
over here.
it. But anything on your back is just like you're stronger
Once you
there.
actually, well, let's choose the 4 open racks.
Okay, we put plates on this thing, which is honestly pretty scary looking, but I did it once, so we're gonna see if I can do it again.
Nice.
I feel like a real weightlifting kind of person when I have plates on. Naturally, I don't know if this is from dancing when I was a kid, but I naturally walk with my toes pointed out.
Yeah.
This is my natural stance.
Yeah.
Watch this. Okay, I don't think I've vlogged this before, but this is not natural.
Something that's, you have a goal.
Yeah. So like my feet do this weird thing. So naturally,
Yeah.
everything I do, my feet just like turn out.
Yeah.
So now I'm moving on to deadlifts, which I have talked about before. I struggle with because I always feel like I'm doing the form wrong. But Jen is going to show us how it's done.
So we're gonna do the conventional style deadlift. So with that version, your feet start under your hips, closer together, and then your arms are outside of your legs. Barbell should be right up against your body. So whenever you're lifting a weight, whether it's a squat, a deadlift, a bench press, you wanna move the bar in the most efficient way possible so it feels the lightest as possible. So if the bar is out here, it's gonna feel heavier when I stand it up. It's just kind of like if I'm at a party and I'm holding my beer, I'm not gonna hold my beer out here because eventually it's gonna get really heavy, right? So you hold your beer right here because it's lighter. So same thing with the deadlift.
Interesting analogy choice.
I don't really drink a lot of beer.
She's trying to be relatable to all you college kids out there.
So the biggest thing with the deadlift is getting set at the bottom. So shoulders down, depressing the scapula, shoulder blades. And then from here, I'm going to drive my legs through the ground. So instead of thinking it as you're pulling with your upper body, you almost want to think of it as pushing the floor below you.
Interesting.
Right? So drive through the ground to stand, squeeze your butt at the top. And then on the way down, keeping the shoulder blades back, we're going to hinge at the hips so the butt kind of goes back.
And you don't want to like arch your back at all, or like you keep your back straight.
Right, so my back is nice and flat the whole time. Bar stays close to my body, and at the end, I bend the knees. Yeah, your back is flat at the bottom. Keep the ball nice and tall, so your chest stays tall as you squat all the way down. Toss it up, and then as it comes down, you just kind of catch it, go right into the next squat.
Gotcha.
So it's a kind of a lighter weight, and that's why it's more of a conditioning thing because you're just like constantly moving. It really gets your heart rate up.
Yeah.
So you want to try to get all the way into that squat, and then toss. Good.
Take that back down, raise the leg.
Oh, you missed the wall that's right in front of you. This is like
Yeah. Okay, so we're picking our movements. This is like a choose your own adventure. So we chose wall balls.
we're making a circuit.
We chose TRX rows.
So we made our circuit. We're doing, what is it? AMRAP.
as many
And
rounds and reps as possible.
Okay, so
5
first 5 minutes is our time. So basically what you do is you set the time, you choose 3 or however many exercises you want to do, and we're doing the wall ball things that we showed, the rows, and then Russian twists. So we're gonna do 10 reps of each, 16 of the Russian twists, and just keep going until 5 minutes is up.
Twice as big as that one. That's gonna fit though.
You wanna try to keep your core tight? Yeah, there you go. Good. Nice, is it good?
Well, that was a good workout. Good job. Thanks for helping me out today.
My pleasure.
Another high five. Yeah, I just left the gym. Had a really good workout with Jen. It was very helpful for me, especially like getting form right, like with the deadlifts and stuff. I think I filmed like a lot of that, hopefully. It was tough because there was a class going on, so it was kind of loud and I didn't want to interrupt them. But hopefully there's some good footage in there that you guys can hear and like get help and tips from too. We just went over some like basics of exercises that I wanted to make sure I was doing right. And then we did that little like circuit at the end, which was fun. And it was hard. But yeah, now I'm getting back on the metro and I'm gonna go to Costco. I got my prescription, I got my salmon burgers, and I can't find the sweet potato crackers that I love anywhere. Like I'm wondering if they're not carrying them anymore, and it makes me so sad. But they do have a 28 mini bag of Skinny Pop, and I'm really tempted because that's like a good deal. But also like, I don't think I can carry this and the rest of my stuff on the train, but I just hate coming to Costco like and just getting salmon burgers. I mean, whatever. I'm sure, I don't know. I'm having a hard time finding something else. Costco's so overwhelming, honestly, but I love every second of it. Yo, I found it. This is what I'm gonna get. My parents had these. They're so good. For like sweet little light coconut rolls with sesame seeds. I'm gonna get those. Hey guys, what's up? Happy Friday. I just love Friday mornings, and I feel like I say that every Friday morning. I had some coffee, I had some breakfast. It's like 11:15 now. I'm leaving in, I probably need to leave in like 20-30 minutes because I booked a flywheel class. So I'm doing some cardio today, which is good that I am giving my muscles a break because I'm a little sore from yesterday. Especially like the backs of my legs and my hamstrings are sore because I never work out my hamstrings, and those deadlifts were definitely working them. I haven't really done much cardio this week, so it'll be nice to just like sweat it out at flywheel. Just leaving flywheel. Had another great class. Feels good to just like sweat a lot and dance on a bike. Cycling is so like weirdly addicting. Here's my Starbucks order if you're wondering. Iced coffee with coconut milk and 2 pumps of vanilla. It's a rainy Saturday and I am ordering Chipotle on Postmates right now. Pretty much get Chipotle like well, not even every week. Once every week or 2 on the weekend, because that's when I run out of food and I always want Chipotle and I love it. So if you've never used Postmates before, I actually have a code where you can get like $100 of free deliveries with my code T5JJ. It's always in the description box if you ever feel like getting Postmates. But it just like delivers food to you. It's amazing from pretty much anywhere. Okay, yay, my Chipotle's on its way. Anyway, so before I end my vlog, I got a box in the mail this morning that I was excited about. Someone who watches my videos, shout out if you're watching this, reached out to me and they're like, yo, do you want some of the Yankee Candle like new beach collection samples? And I was like, okay. So beachy. And also, my very beautiful Bath & Body Works candle from Christmas is like out. Like I literally burned the last of it yesterday and I'm excited to have new ones. Sun and Sand. Ooh, it smells kind of like sunscreen. It has like an actual beach smell. This one says, a tropical beach breeze of sweet orange flower, lemony citrus, fresh lavender, and powdery musk. I'm definitely smelling sunscreen though. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna like this one. This is Coconut Beach. Oh, yep, this is the one. This one is A Taste of Tropics warm coconut blended with pineapple and Tahitian vanilla. I love vanilla and I love coconut. I'm actually not a fan of pineapple, but it's not that strong in this. I like how they're like layered. Do you see the colors? That's so pretty. This one is Beach Walk. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. This is like fresh, cool kind of scent. This one says refreshing saltwater and sea musk warmed with sunny notes of tangerine and orange. For my first impression, Coconut Beach is my favorite. Beach Walk is my second favorite. And Sun and Sand is like least favorite, but it does smell quite beachy. You know when you first light a candle and you just literally hold the flame there for 20 minutes and you're like, okay, this is fine. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this vlog. I know it's probably super long and I know I have a ton of footage. I haven't started editing yet, but I know it's probably just a ton of footage from the lifting session, but I hope that was helpful for you guys. I hope you liked watching the rest of this, whatever the hell I did, Costco, good times. Let me know what you want to see me do in the next vlog, and I'll see you then on Tuesday. Peace out, Girl Scout.